So very good evening, dear children. If my voice is audible, can you please give me a thumbs up? Okay. So let's proceed. So we are going to solve this particular paper today. It's a test paper. The HCF of two numbers is 11. The LCM is 693. If one of the numbers is 77, the other number will be how much? So the technique of solving is very simple. HCF multiplied by LCM is the first number multiplied by the second number. So HCF is given as 11, the LCM is given as 693, the first number is given as 77, multiplied by the next number will be, let me call it as B. So let's calculate that. So as you know, equal to के दोनों तरफ रहेगा, even if they are on the both sides of equals, you can directly cancel. Basically, you can do the division. So 11 ones are 11, sevens are is 77. And what you're left with is 693 divided by 7. 693 divided by 7 gives you 700 minus 1, it's 99. 99 will be your correct answer. Okay, let's proceed to the next question. Mr. Gokhale noticed that his car's petrol tank was 1 by 8 full. He filled 8 liters of petrol and noticed that his car is now 5 by 8 full. So how much did he fill? 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8. That is 4 by 8. Now 4 by 8 he filled. In order to fill 4 by 8, he required 8 liters of petrol. Okay. How many more liters could fill up the tank completely? Now, logically speaking, if 4 by 8 is 8 liters, then this divided by 4, 1 by 8 will be 2 liter. How did I come into this conclusion? 4 by 8 divided by 4 is 1 by 8. Therefore, 8 divided by 4 will be 2. So both sides I have divided by 4. So 1 by 8 is 2 liter. Now, why did I calculate 1 by 8? Because currently his tank capacity is 5 by 8. How much ever he's left, how much ever space is left is basically 1 minus 5 by 8. Okay. Now 1 minus 5 by 8 is gonna give me 8 minus 5 upon 8. That is 3 upon 8. So 3 by 8 is left to fill. If 1 by 8 of tank requires 2 liter of petrol, then 3 by 8 of the tank will require 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6 liters of petrol. So the answer is 6 liters, option 1. Okay, let's proceed further. Question number 3. A certain sum of money at simple interest amounted to be 840 in 10 years at 6% per annum. Find the sum. Now, we know that simple interest is whatever amount is there minus principal. Also, the simple interest is PRT upon 100. Now, let's substitute the values one by one. The total amount they have is 840 minus principal is equal to principal. Basically, we have to find principal. Okay. Multiplied by rate of interest is 6. Multiplied by time is 10. Divided by 100 it is. Now I cancel 1 0 with 10. I'm left with 6 by 10. I'll do one thing. I'll cancel 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now I have 840 minus p. I'll take this minus p to the other side. On the other side, I already have 3 upon 5p. Then minus p goes to the other side, becomes plus p. That gives me 5I multiply to the other side, 3p plus 5p upon 5. That is 8p upon 5. Okay. On the other side, I have 840. I still have 840. 8p upon 5, I'll take it to the other side. That gives me 840 multiplied by 5. And I take 8 to the other side. That gives me divided by 8. And when I cancel this with 8, it's 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40. It's 105. So the principal is 105 multiplied by 5. That's gonna give me 525. That's your answer. 525, option 3 is your correct answer. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. Find the least number which must be added.
Thank you.
Find the least number which must be added to 3320 to make it a perfect square. So first let's find the closest perfect square just after, like, so closest perfect square just above 3320. So the process goes like this. So when I see 3000 something, I understand. I will try to find the nearest possible number to it. Okay, like 25 square. Oh, sorry, not 25 square. My mistake. 50 square. 50 square. 5 square is 25 and 10 square is double zero. Okay, zero, like this single zero becomes double zero. So 2500 is basically 50 square and my number is greater than 2500. So, okay, so I'm very sure that my the actual square number will be definitely greater than 50 square. Now let's try 55 square. Okay, whether it is going beyond 55. And in order to find this square value, I've already given you a shortcut. When you see 5 square, you directly write 25. And on the other two side, basically you have to multiply this 5 with the next number. 5 multiplied by 6 is going to be 30. So you write 30 over here. 3025 is basically 55 square. Now my number is greater than 3025. Now one thing is very clear. And this number is not, the difference is very considerable difference. Okay. So my number is either 56 square or 57 square, sorry, or 58 square. So it is either one of these. Okay. So I'll have to check which number is just greater than 33, like 3320. Okay. Let's try this option. So obviously 56 square will have 6 in the last place, 57 square will have 9 in the last place, 58 square will have um, uh, 4 in the last place. Now let's just check which can satisfy my answer. Obviously 6, I don't have 6 anywhere, which means Probably this is not my answer. Okay. And in the options, let's check 9. I have 9 over here. So this can be my answer. And about 4, I have 4 over here. So this can also be my answer. So out of these two, either one of them is my answer. Either 57 square will be my answer or 58 square will be my answer. So let's check 57 square. Okay. What is 57 square? 57 multiplied by 57. So when I find the square, it's basically 49, 4 carry, 5 sevens are is 35 plus 4 is 39, 0, 7 fives are 35, 3 carry, 25 plus 2, 3 is 28. That gives me 9, 4. Yes, absolutely correct. 3249, which is just below 3320, which means my answer is just above 58 square. So I'm sure of one thing. 57 square is less than 3320, which means 58 square is just greater than 3320. So whichever option is ending at 4 will be my correct answer. Therefore, option 2 will be my correct answer. Let's go for the next question. Wait, let me write the answer key for this one. Question number 5. If S is 25% of 60 and 60 is 80% of U, then what is the sum of S and U? Let's find S first. So S is equal to 25% means divided by 100, of means multiplication 60. So when you cancel them, or there is a simpler method, 25 ones are 25 fours are directly say, and you will get 15 over here. So this is 15. So ultimate answer is 15. Okay, S is equal to 15. And let's go for 60. The other data they have given is 60 is means is equal to 80% of U. That's what they have given. Let's try to do the cancellation. Let's go like this. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 threes are, 2 fours are, and 4 ones are, 4 25s are. I take 25 to the other side. This U will become 25 multiplied by 3, that is 75. So the U's value is 75 and S's value is 15. So they are asking S plus U, which means 15 plus 75 gives you 90. 90 is your correct answer, option 1. Okay, let's go for the next one. Sorry, just a minute. Sixth question. The value of 1024 raised to minus 4 by 5 will be how much? Let's try to figure it out. Now, looking at 1024, I can directly give you a hint. Whenever you see 1024, you directly write it as 2 raised to 10. Okay, this is a value which we can by heart. 2 raised to 10 it is. So it's like 2 multiplied by 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 like 10 times. Anyway, so according to law of indices, if 1024 is 2 raised to 10, what you have over here can be written as 10, or maybe I'll write it over here itself. So instead of writing 1024, I'll write 2 raised to 10. Again, raised to means multiplication of minus 4 upon 5. Now 5 and 10 cancels with each other to give you 2. 2 multiplied by minus 4 gives you minus 8. That is 2 raised to minus 8. Minus sign means you have to take it to the denominator. So it's basically 1 upon 2 raised to 8. And 2 raised to 8 is how much? How do we calculate? We can do it like this. If you don't remember what is 2 raised to 8, you can do it like this. It is 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 4. And 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 16. So 16 square is 256. Your answer is 1 by 256. Oh, no. Let's go for the next one. Seventh question. By selling 25 meters of cloth, a shopkeeper gains the selling price of 5 meter. Find the gain percentage. Um, 5, wait, shopkeeper gains the selling price of 5 meters by selling 25 meters of cloth. Okay, so the profit is 5 meters. Okay, take it. So his profit percentage will be 5 out of 25. That should be your answer. Yes. So basically, how do we find out what is the answer? It's by this. The shopkeeper is selling 25 meter of cloth. So total, how much did he sell? He sold 25 meter, and the profit he got was 5 meters profit. So profit is 5 meter out of 25. Out of, wait, just a minute. Selling.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, in the denominator you have taken 25, but 25 is the selling price.
Yes, sir. Even I am confused.
Yeah.
You have to take cost price, right?
Sir,
Yes.
but at times we have to the profit he gets by selling those 5 by 25 into 100. We can't do like that.
No. Because he's selling, he's selling 25 and he gains a profit of 5 meters. So whatever he has sold, we'll have to reduce this. Yes, that's absolutely correct. We'll have to reduce
Sir,
the profit. You will get 20. So in this case, we will have to consider 20 because selling minus profit is 20. 5 upon 20 multiplied by 100. So that should give you 25 percentage. 25% is your answer. Yes, Priya, tell me.
Sir, I just wanted to the answer of 8th question.
You wanted to, okay. Share your answer.
No,
Tell me.
no. I want the answer.
You want the answer. I will be solving. I'm not yet started. I've not yet started the 8th question, right?
Oh, okay. I thought you were solving it, but I missed some part due to internet issues.
Yeah.
Excuse
I'm
me, sir.
still on the 7th question. Yes, please.
So why you have taken denominator as 20 instead of 25?
Because 20 is the cost price. Cost price is selling price minus profit. Selling is 25, profit is 5. Therefore, the cost is 25 minus 5, 20.
So, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure. Yes, please.
So,
Tell me.
sir, in the sir, question number 29, sir, I'm getting some different answer, but the options are not given for that.
Question number 29,
Yes,
right?
sir. Even
We'll read
I'm
that.
also getting
Yes,
the
sir.
different answer.
Yes, sir. Same with me, sir. I'm getting some other answers.
Don't worry, my dear children. We'll reach there. Okay? Yeah. Let's go for the 8th one. Find the HCF of 5, 13, 1134, 1215. So let's write down the factors one by one. So 513. So it goes wait. It goes like this. 513. As far as I can see, I can divide it by 3. So when you divide it by 3, it's 51, 171. Again, you can divide it by 3. You'll get 150 is 50, 21 is 7. Again, you can divide it by 3. You will get 10, then 27 is 9.
19.
Yes.
Sir,
Then 19 is your last factor. This is for 513. Now let's go for the next one. That is 1134. So for 1134, let's first divide it by 2 and make it smaller. So that goes 600 and 134 gives you 60. Wait, it's not 600 actually. It's
sir,
500.
we can use long division method also.
Yeah, we can do that also. But let's, since we have done this, since we have started with this, let's go with this. 500, then we have 50, then we have 60,
67.
67. Yeah. 567 goes with 3. 3, how does it go?
सर नक्की नाही मला
Yes,
म्हणजे जमले
it's
त्यांच्या आधी
189.
नाही
Just a minute, side. Let me complete the calculation. When I divide 189 by 3, I get 63. When I divide 63 by 3, I get 21. When I divide 21 by 3, I get 3. Then I have 7. This is 1134. And then let's go for 1215. So for 1215, let's divide it by let's divide it by 3. You get 405. Then when you again divide it by 3, you get 135. Then you again divide it by 3, you get 45. You again divide it by 3, you get 15. You again divide it by 3, you get 5. Then goes 1. Okay? Yeah. So the factors, common factors we have to find, right? So we have 3 threes over here. We have 3 threes over here as well. We have 3 threes over here as well. No other highest common factor we have. End of the story. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, your answer is 27. Where is 27? Option 3 is your correct answer.
आई एकदम वेडेपण आहे माहितीये
Sir,
दोन लिंक दिलेल्या एक साठची एक साठ
Just a minute. Yes, Yathat. Tell me.
sir, I did all three together. So is that okay? Is that also okay?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Please do it. Not a problem.
Sir, if we divide by the options also, we can do like that method.
Absolutely. You can go with the options as well. That is also a method. Because looking at this itself, you can eliminate 81 because 81 is not going to come from here. Is it? I don't think. No, it's not.
Yes, sir.
And 17 also can be eliminated because from here we are not going to get 17. But 5 and 3 is a possible option. But when you solve the second one, you understand that the 5 and 3 factors are not present over here. So you can eliminate the fourth one also. Then you can then you can go for 27. So that is also a possibility.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Let's go for the ninth problem. A sum of 8,000 is invested at 5% compound interest in a bank. How much will it amount in 3 years of time? So the formula is 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the time period multiplied by principal. So principal is 8,000. In the bracket, you have 1 plus rate of interest is 5 upon 100 raised to 3. So I'll do one thing. It's 8,000 multiplied by, I have 105 upon 100 raised to 3, which means it's again 10. Okay, I'll do one thing. 105 upon 100 raised to 3, right? So it is 521s are 520s are. Now let's do one thing. Let's put this raised to 3. Raised to 3 means multiply 3 times 21 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21. And over here I'll write 20 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 20. And 1, 2, 3. I cancel 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And 2, 2, 2. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So that there goes everything. So all you are left with is 21 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21. 21 multiplied by 21 is 441. Again, you multiply it by 21. You'll get the, whatever your answer is, your units place will have 1. Let's check. Can we eliminate anything? Yes, we can eliminate option 3. But for all the other numbers, they have units place 1. So we will have to multiply and check. So 441 multiplied by 21. Let's check. 441 multiplied by 1 is 441. Then 441 multiplied by 2 is 882. When you add them, 1,
So
6,
9261.
12,
9261.
absolutely.
9261.
9261 is your correct answer.
Sir,
Yep.
sir, shall I explain the 10th question?
I don't. Okay, fine. It's better I'll explain because that will save our time. Okay, I understand your eagerness, but yeah, considering the time factor, let me do it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So, what is the ratio between 11 minutes and 55 seconds and 2 hours and 11 minutes and 55 seconds? Sorry, 5 seconds. So, 11 minutes and 55 seconds. So in order to find ratio, first of all, we'll have to convert everything into seconds. We have to convert everything into same unit. So let's convert this 11 minutes and 55 seconds into seconds. So 11 multiplied by 60, sorry, yeah, 11 multiplied by 60 plus 55 seconds. So 11 multiplied by 60 is 660 plus 55. That gives me, actually, yeah, okay. So that gives me 750, 715 seconds. On the other hand, I have 2 hours, 11 minutes and 5 seconds. So let's go for that. So 2 hours can be converted into seconds by multiplying it by 3,600 seconds because in every hour there are 3,600 seconds. 60 multiplied by 60 plus 11 multiplied by 60 seconds I have plus additional 5 seconds I have. So when I go for it, I have 7,200 over here plus,
Sir, 7865.
yes, plus 5. That gives me 7,865. So this is the second number. So what ratio I have to find over here is basically 715 divided by 7,865. Now, first of all, let's do one thing. Let's first try, just try out whether, see over here I see 7, over here I see 7 and an additional number, right? So one thing is very clear. If this is 1, for example, this is greater than 10. So the ratio is definitely 1 upon something greater than 10. That is a possibility. So I'm just going to check whether like option 4 is the correct answer. Because over here I see that it's 1 time and it is something greater than 10 times. So there are only two possibilities. So either option 4 will be correct or option 2 will be correct. Because in option 4, it's 1 is to 11. In option 2, it's 2 upon 21 is also almost 1 upon 10.5. 21 ka half is 10.5, right? So 2 upon 21 can also be written as 1 upon 10.5. So either option 1 is correct or option 4 is correct. Let me check which is correct. So let me check whether
1 is to 11.
yes, let me check 715 multiplied by 11 is going to give me the denominator. Let me just check. So when I multiplied by 11, so 715 and then 715. So I get the answer as 7865, which is exactly the denominator. So which means 715 ones are 715 and 7 by 715 11s are this number. Therefore, option 4 is your correct answer. If this was not satisfied, I would have directly said that option 1 is my correct answer. But since this is satisfied, I can say that option 4 is my correct answer. Okay, let's go for the 11th problem. Find the least number which must be added to 2497 so that the sum is divisible by 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So let's go for the least common multiple in this case. So LCM of these numbers is basically for 3 and 4, it would have been 12. When you give 5, it becomes 60. 12 into 5 is 60. And fortunately, 60 is also divisible by 6 also. So LCM in this case is going to be 60. Okay. 3 into 4 into 5. So anyway, 60 is your LCM. Now you have to find a multiple of 60 which is greater than 2497. So you know that 2400 is also a multiple of basically 60 multiplied by 40 gives you 2400. That's very clear. Now there is additional 97. So let's do one thing. Let's add 60 multiplied by 2. That gives you 120. So ultimately, 60 multiplied by 42 times is, add both the numbers, you will get 2520. So this is a multiple of 60. And you will have to convert this number to this number. So all you have to find is यहाँ से 2497 से 2520 तक पहुंचने के लिए कितना number add करना पड़ेगा. It's basically the difference between them. 2520 minus 2497
23.
gives you 23. 23 is your correct answer. So, dear children, this meeting is going fine. Let's do one thing. Let's exit the meeting and join again. By the way, this time you will have to join on the second part, the second link, which is part 2. Okay.